Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Chat GPT Widget on OPPO A2. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store and now click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search and now click install. Now you can click open. And now you can click here to skip introduction and now click open permissions and click on AI assistant and click here to allow this app to display over other apps. Now you can click back and click back again and now you can click start, and as you can see here is your Chat GPT widget and you can open him and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded, and if you want to remove him from your screen, just drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.